Let's talk more about the addition of fractions. Here we have 1/6 plus 1/2. 1/6 plus 1/2. To add fractions together, the denominators must be made the same. So we will ignore the numerators for now and focus on the denominators. Let's find the smallest number that can be the common denominator. Let's find the least common denominator. First, we will break the denominators down into prime numbers. This is called prime factorization. Notice which factors the denominators share. And we can ignore those shared factors and focus on unshared factors. Here, the factor 3 is not shared with the other denominator. To create the least common denominator, we must multiply the unshared factors with the other denominator. We must multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the unshared factors to keep the fraction equivalent. So here we've taken the fraction 1/2 and multiplied that times 3/3, which gives us 3/6. Remember, 3/6 is equal to 1/2. Now we've taken our original fraction and created an equivalent fraction with the least common denominator. Here are the original fractions we wanted to add together. And here are the equivalent fractions with the least common denominators. Now we can add the fractions. Remember, numerators of fractions can only be added together when the denominators are the same. So 1/6 plus 3/6 is equal to 4/6. So let's reduce the fraction 4/6. To reduce the fraction 4/6, we'll break 4 down into its prime numbers and break 6 down into its prime numbers. And since 2/2 is equal to 1, we are left with 2/3. 4/6 is equal to 2/3. So 1/6 plus 1/2 is equal to 2/3. Adding fractions together is one of the most difficult operations in mathematics. But learning the logical process of mathematics will reveal to you the logical process in the world around us.